Um, Hello everyone, I'm Abby from Zhongshan JOLION Foods Company. First, let's see a video of our company.
Lion brand for many years. It makes us more concentrate on quality, variety, and customers' need. We also provide the free sample and OEM and ODM service to our customers. Our main products are soy sauce, oyster sauce, sweet chili sauce, hot chili sauce, vinegar, cooking oil, noodles, BBQ sauce, and peanut butter. Our company concept is superior quality, attractive price, and best customer service to help our customers expand business in the competitive market. We have always been recognized and high praise from our customers. We will never stop on the way to achieve better performance in seasoning industry. We are pursuing for superior quality is fresh, safe, and healthy. Your total satisfaction is our main objective. Welcome to contact with us anytime and look forward to work with you. Please feel free to visit our website www.jolionfoods.com for more details. Thanks for choosing JOLION. We sincerely believe our further cooperation will be better and better.
Okay, thank you for watching the video. And the following part, I will show you the presentation of our company. Our company is founded in 1990s, has more than 20 years history in the business. We have 120 workers. The capacity can reach 2,000 tons per month. Leading factory for various kinds of Oriental sauce and other Chinese foods in China. We have rich experience of joining different exhibitions, such as Canton Fair of each year, Anuga Fair in Germany, Gofu Fair in Dubai, and other international fair and so on. Now, let me show you our advanced equipment, our production line, as well as the lab. First, I'm showing you our braising, fermentation, and filtering equipment, which is used for soy sauce natural fermentation. Second, go to see our production line. As said, the capacity can reach 2,000 tons per month, and we can deliver the goods in about 20 or 25 days upon receipt the advance payment as well as label design approval. After finish the production, we have a professional inspection team to test our product. For sure, we could make a new sauce according to customer requirements. And we have been cooperating with the following brands directly and indirectly, such as the California, Walmart, Aldi, Tesco, and so on. All the products have passed various international certification for meeting each country's important demands, such as BRC, KOSHER, FDA, HALAL, SGS, and ISO, and so on. Ranking top 10 among sauce manufacturing companies in China, our output is increasing year by year. Last year, it is $10 million. In this year, we are working towards our goal is expected to reach $30 million. And next year, output will be quadruple and have been exporting about 130 countries, including Southeast Asian, Africa, Europe, and American markets. A wide range of the Oriental sauce for retail, food service, and industrial. A range that has evolved according to the taste and requirements of the different markets when it operates. For example, we produce the different kinds of natural blue soy sauce, like the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, mushroom dark soy sauce, and the sweet soy sauce, sushi soy sauce, and so on. As for the seasoning sauce, we can meet different requests to offer high quality items such as the oyster sauce, sweet and sour sauce, hoisin sauce, stir fry sauce, black bean sauce, and so on. Also, there are various of chili sauce, sweet chili sauce, hot chili sauce, garlic chili sauce, cilantro chili sauce, and in the meanwhile, we also produce different kinds of vinegar and other foods like the cooking oil, rice vermicelli, chicken powder, and egg noodles. Okay, now I have finished our presentation. So now let's see our video of the products. Hello everyone, this is Abby. Welcome to our live show. For today, I will discuss something about our three hot selling products. That's the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sweet chili sauce. First of all, I would like to introduce our soy sauce to you guys. The light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Soy sauce has a long and decorated history dating back over 2,000 years to the Western Han Dynasty. Chinese monks created the sauce from soybean as an alternative to the meat cooking sauce. Since its initial creation, soy sauce is now widely used around the world in all different kinds of cooking style and recipes. This as savory notes and rich umami flavor to dishes without needing to use too much. First of all, the light soy sauce has a thinner and reddish brown color. Using natural fermentation method, light soy sauce has a strong aromatic, umami, and savory flavor. As the name suggests, the sauce is usually lighter in color. It actually tends to be transparent. This is the regular soy sauce because it used in almost every meat and is a Chinese flavor, making an ideal for the marinade, dressing, sauce mix, and table condiment. It is a great additional to the stir-fried recipes, noodle, and dishes. And the next, I would like to introduce our Dusto sauce. This product is more thicker, and full-bodied compared to the light soy sauce. It is typically used for adding color to a dishes, rather than for flavor. You are likely eating Dusto sauce in Northern Chinese stir fries or in Shanghai cooking with braised leg-cooked meats. Dusto sauce is a deep brown color and thicker than the light soy sauce. It is less salty than the light soy sauce with a sweet, molasses flavor. Usually has sugar added but is not sweet, just less salty than the light soy sauce. And I would like to give you some guys a tip. What should you do when you have got the Dusto sauce? If you have only Dusto sauce when it calls for light soy sauce, add the Dusto sauce and a pinch of salt to make up for the saltiness. You can also add a tiny bit of water to dilute the Dusto sauce and think it out. The next, I would like to show you our oyster sauce item. If you often do the cooking, I think you must be very familiar with this seasoning. So, what it is oyster sauce? Oyster sauce is made with oyster extract. It is a dark brown color and quite thick, with viscosity and texture similar to the ketchup or barbecue sauce. It is really an all-purpose seasoning recipe sauce. It is used in both meat and vegetable dishes. mainly in Cantonese, Thai, and Vietnam cuisines. The main purpose of oyster sauce would be add a savory flavor to various kinds of dishes. This sauce is generally used for enriching color in either vegetable or meat dishes. Every Chinese household will have this seasoning for cooking their dishes. It is also used in salad dressing, noodles, soup, and soup. The last product I would like to show you our sweet chili sauce. It is welcomed by people who love the spicy food because it is a rich blend of red chili, pepper, and garlic, offering a spicy and sweet flavor. The raw materials is non-GMO and fresh. When open the bottle, you can see the color is really good and the smell is very appetizing. And this good bottle is also very convenient and clean. It has a sweet taste, so it's also very suitable for those who can't eat too much spicy food. Because its taste is not strong spicy, it's a sweet and appetizing spiciness. Many people think that it is perfect for dipping and stir frying. Um, anyway, the sweet chili sauce is a very potential product on the market. It is not only popular among Southeast Asians and also popular in Europe and the United States. So if you are interested in this potential product, welcome to send the inquiry. Okay, thank you for watching our presentation. And if any increased request or interest, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you so much.